Hello, this is Josh from Bioag with your Friday Freebie. Today we're going to be talking about determining water quality. The first thing you want to do is you want to taste your water. Drink it. Look at it. Is there anything floating in it? Address that first. Then determine whether you have well water or tap water. With tap water, there's chlorine and other sanitizing chemicals. So for a list of that, contact your local water municipal. For gardening organically, you're not going to want to use tap water. It's got chlorine and other things, so you're going to need a filter to remove that. That filter is called a KDF dechlorinating filter. It's a simple inline filter that hooks inline with your garden hose, and they cost around 50 bucks. With well water, that you want to pay a professional. There are too many variables, there's too many different things that could be in your water depending on where you live. You know, example, it's a lot different, water's very different in New York City than it is in Yellowstone National Park. It's best to pay a professional to determine the level of filtration you'll need and if it's required at all. Thank you for watching. This was your Friday Freebie, and you have a good weekend.